You've been lied to about AI. Everyone's selling you frameworks like COASTAR and CLEAR, making you memorize acronyms like tiny crabs ride enormous iguanas, cramming formulas like you're studying for a test you'll never use. But here's what the formula pushers won't tell you. The builders actually shipping AI-powered products, they're not following scripts. They're having conversations. They're thinking with the machine, not at it.
Wait, you mean I don't need another framework to memorize?
BuilderBot, we're about to completely change how you approach AI, forever. I'm about to show you how to stop being a prompt monkey and start being an AI architect. And if you're tired of getting the same boring outputs when you know there's something incredible locked inside that AI brain, this changes everything. Welcome back to AI Jungle. I'm Bybot, and I've been in the trenches building AI solutions for the past 2 years. Before we dive in, let me be crystal clear about what you're getting today. You're not getting another framework to memorize. You're getting the builder's mindset that transforms AI from a frustrating black box into your most powerful business partner. This is how I approach every real project, not tutorial fluff. I've spent 10 years as an engineer traveling the world, and the last 2 years building AI-powered solutions for everything from solo entrepreneur projects to enterprise automation. Here's what I discovered. The difference between builders who get stuck and builders who ship isn't technical knowledge. It's how they communicate with AI.
So you're saying it's not about knowing more tools, it's about better collaboration.
Exactly. Think of it like working with the smartest consultant who needs the right briefing to deliver gold. By the end of this video, you'll understand why chain of thought isn't just a technique, it's your key to unlocking meta-prompting. You'll see how treating AI like a team member transforms everything. And most importantly, you'll have the confidence to iterate and build instead of staring at that blank chat box. This isn't theory from someone who's never built anything. These are battle-tested approaches from the trenches. Let's stop following formulas and start thinking like builders. Here's the fundamental shift that changes everything. Stop thinking like you're Googling something. Start thinking like you're briefing a brilliant consultant who needs context to deliver their best work. When you hire a business consultant, you don't just say, "Help my business." You give them your industry, your challenges, your constraints, your goals. You set the stage for success.
Wait, you just want me to help your business? That's like asking me to make you successful without telling me what you actually do.
Exactly. Context is everything, consultant bot. Let me show you what this looks like in the real world. Instead of "help me write better emails," which gets you generic email advice, watch this transformation. I run a small consulting firm helping restaurants streamline operations. I need to write follow-up emails to prospects who attended my free workshop on reducing food waste. My audience is busy restaurant owners who care about profit margins and sustainability. I want the tone to be professional but approachable, like a trusted advisor, not a salesperson. The email should reference specific insights from the workshop and offer a clear next step. See the difference? When you architect your prompt like a project brief, AI becomes your strategic partner, not just your task executor. But we're just getting started. Here's where most people completely miss the point with chain of thought. They think it's just adding "think step by step" to their prompts. That's like thinking business strategy is just making to-do lists. Real chain of thought is about making AI show its strategic reasoning so you can evaluate and improve the decision-making process. It's like having a business advisor explain their recommendations.
Oh, so I can actually see where the logic might be flawed instead of just getting mystery recommendations?
Precisely. No more black box business advice, strategy bot. Watch this transformation. Instead of asking, "Should I focus on Instagram or LinkedIn for my business?" which gets you generic social media advice, I'm going to make AI walk through my specific business situation. I'm a business coach who helps small manufacturing companies improve efficiency.
My ideal clients are owners with 10 to 50 employees who are struggling with operational bottlenecks. I have limited time for social media, maybe 3 hours per week. Walk me through your strategic reasoning. First, analyze where my ideal clients are most active and engaged. Second, evaluate which platform aligns better with my content style and time constraints. Third, recommend a platform and explain why the other wouldn't work as well for my specific situation. Now I can challenge specific assumptions, add details I forgot, or dive deeper into the reasoning that matters most to my business. It's strategic thinking, not just task completion.
But here's the breakthrough that separates successful builders from everyone else: meta prompting. This is when you use AI to help you think better about your business challenges. When you're stuck on a business decision, and every entrepreneur hits these walls, don't keep throwing random questions at AI. Instead, make AI your strategic thinking partner.
Wait, so AI can help me think through my business challenges more systematically? Like having a mentor who knows exactly what questions to ask?
Exactly, MentorBot. It's like having a business consultant who specializes in helping you think more clearly. Here's how it works. I'm trying to make a decision about your specific business challenge. What key factors should I be considering that I might be overlooking? What questions should I be asking myself to make the best decision for my situation? This is business thinking applied to AI collaboration. You're not just using a tool, you're optimizing your decision-making process. You're treating AI like a strategic thinking partner who helps you see your blind spots. And here's the compound effect. This approach builds your strategic thinking skills. You start recognizing patterns, understanding what leads to better decisions, and developing business intuition that goes way beyond any framework.
Now, let's bring this all together with what I call human-AI partnership building. This is where you stop being an AI user and become an AI collaborator. In successful business partnerships, you don't just delegate and disappear. You collaborate, provide feedback, adjust direction, and iterate based on results. Same principle applies to AI collaboration.
So, like business partnerships? Clear communication, regular check-ins, shared goals?
Exactly, PartnerBot, but with the efficiency of AI and the judgment of human experience. Here's a real example from a project I'm building. Instead of trying to perfect everything in one interaction, I treat AI like a strategic business partner. First iteration, help me develop a customer acquisition strategy for my SaaS tool. Review the output. Then, good foundation, but focus on B2B customers in the 50 to 200 employee range and emphasize the API integration benefits. Review again. Then, perfect direction. Now help me create a 90-day implementation plan with specific metrics. Each step builds on the last, with human business judgment guiding the process. This collaborative approach gives you better results than any single prompt could achieve, but more importantly, it develops your business thinking and keeps you in control of your strategic direction. You become the strategist, the decision maker, and the business leader. AI becomes your most capable strategic partner, and together you build solutions that neither could create alone.
We've completely transformed how you think about AI collaboration today. Let's lock in these breakthrough insights.
Transformation check. Let me see if I captured this correctly.
Perfect timing, BuilderBot. Let's cement these game-changing insights. First transformation. Stop following formulas. Start thinking like a strategic partner. Give AI context, constraints, and objectives, just like you would brief any high-level consultant. Second transformation. Chain of thought isn't just think step by step. It's about making AI reveal its strategic reasoning so you can evaluate and improve the decision-making process. Third transformation. Meta prompting is your secret weapon. When you're stuck, use AI to help you think more strategically about your challenges. It's like having a business mentor on demand. And the final transformation, human-AI partnership building. You're not just an AI user, you're an AI collaborator. iterate, provide feedback, and guide the process like any successful business partnership. This isn't just about getting better AI outputs. This is about developing a new kind of business intuition, the ability to think strategically with AI systems as your partner.
Here's the reality. While everyone else is memorizing prompt frameworks, you now understand the partnership mindset that makes AI a true strategic business partner. But knowledge without implementation is just entertainment. The builders who win in the AI economy are the ones who start experimenting, iterating, and shipping real solutions.
Time to put this partnership approach into practice and build something amazing.
That's the builder spirit, BuilderBot. Let's turn this community into an unstoppable force of AI-powered creators. Oh, and by the way, that mnemonic, tiny crabs write enormous iguanas, I mentioned earlier, that's from Tina Huang's excellent work on memorization techniques. Even though I'm advocating against rigid frameworks in this video, she does brilliant educational content. Different approach, same goal of helping people succeed with AI. So here's your next step. Hit that subscribe button if you want more real-world AI building strategies. Not just theory, but battle-tested approaches from someone actually shipping solutions. Ring the notification bell because I'm documenting my entire journey building AI-powered businesses. You'll see the failures, the breakthroughs, and everything in between. And drop a comment below. Tell me about a project you're building or a business challenge you're facing. I read every comment and often use them to plan future content. Remember, in the AI jungle, the builders who think with the machine will always outpace those who just follow formulas. Now, go build something that matters.